Today we are making these gorgeous shrimp and crab spring rolls. Let me show you step by step how to make these juicy and crispy spring rolls. Let's begin with our veggies. We are cutting a cup and a half of cabbage, 1 cup of carrots, a medium-sized onion, chopped very small, and 2 cloves of garlic. For the spring rolls, what I'm using is shrimp and imitation crab meat. So before I pre-cook this, I'm going to be cutting the shrimp in half, which is like in a butterfly style. And the crab meat, I'm going to be cutting in half because it's a little too thick. Now that everything is cut, let's go ahead and start cooking. In a large size skillet, we're going to be putting about a tablespoon of olive oil. You can use the oil of your choice. Let's go ahead and put the garlic. This is looking good. The first thing I'm going to put in is the shrimp. This is looking good. So I'm just pushing the shrimp aside so that I can put in the crab meat so they cook together. And just remember, the crab meat as well as the shrimp don't need to be cooked too long because they're going to be cooking later with it when they get in the egg roll. About 2 minutes. That's all we need. I'm going to marinate the shrimp and the crab meat with a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, this is looking good. Let's just mix it together, that's fine. Just give your shrimp about 1 minute, no more than that. And once you see the shrimp are nice and pink, that's it, because you don't want to overcook them. Remember, we're going to be cooking them again once they're on the spring roll. We're going to transfer it to this dish. In the same skillet, we're going to be cooking the vegetable now. A tablespoon of oil. I'm going to start with the carrots. We start with the carrots because the carrots tend to cook a little slower than the cabbage. There goes the onion. Let's mix the onion with the carrots. Let's put the cabbage. A tablespoon of soy sauce. And a hint of salt. I'm going to go ahead and taste for salt. Beautiful. Turn this off. Okay, we have here an ounce of water, and I'm going to be putting a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to go ahead and mix it. This is going to be the glue for the wrappers. This is the consistency that we need, so make sure it's not too watery and it's not too thick. These are the egg rolls wrappers that I'm using, and they are super easy to use because they don't stick together. Look, they are nice and thin, but in the meantime, they have flour on it to keep them separated from each other. Now it's time to start making the rolls, the spring rolls. This is the way I like to do it. I like to place the vegetable in the center. So that's what I'm doing. And I put a piece of the crab meat. And now I'm going to take the right and the left side corners of the wrappers. Then I put some of the flour, which is going to be like the glue to kind of, hold it together. And then I start wrapping, taking those two sides corner in, and then push the end up, and we just go ahead and start wrapping until we get to the end. By now you can see how nice it looks, and that's how easy it is. Now let's go ahead and make one with shrimp. So we are just rotating one with shrimp, one with crab meat. Oh, two and two, or three and four. So whatever way you want it, or you can just make the crab meat first and then the shrimp. We do the same technique that we use, but this one is at the end that I'm putting the flour at the end of the tips, in the corner, just to show you that there is different way, but there's no wrong over here. Whatever way you do it is gonna be right. Just make sure you put something, either water or the flour and the or egg, so at the end, and that will work. Guys, look at that. I'm all set. We did it all. Now we're gonna start frying them. Now we have the oil. Make sure you have enough. I put about, I would say, 3 cups of oil, and it has to be nice and hot. Make sure it's nice. So if it is not hot enough, just wait. Let's go ahead and try this. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Crispy on the outside and full of flavor inside. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. I hope you guys try this recipe. It's awesome. And if you like this recipe, I recommend you guys to check the next video. You're gonna love it. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share my videos, and I will see you in the next video. God bless. Let's eat.